camp's larger than I thought. There must be thousands of magicals here. Are they planning to just murder them all? Liko? Goddess. I hope he passes unseen. Odd. There are more soldiers inside the camp than along the perimeter.
Why burn the bodies?
The camp is massive. How many magicals have they imprisoned here? It must be well over 1,000.
I'll get it. Must be
Why build a factory in the middle of a prison camp? Are they using magicals for
Never
labor?
heard of a flu that runs along blood lines.
Beatings. To inspire fear and obedience in the other prisoners.
See anything?
Nothing. I could have sworn.
Maybe it was just a bird.
You don't think I can tell the difference between a man and a bird?
It's dark.
It's dark. Just shut up and keep your eyes open.
I owned a far glass once. It helped me keep tabs on the street gangs in Sadir. But Vamon's boys stole it from me. Hundreds of dead magicals. They're dragging bodies into the factory to burn them. But why? What are they doing in this shadow-cursed place?
Who goes there? Who goes there?
I won't be able to see what the guard's up to from this angle. The guard's pressing something, but I'm too far away to see exactly what. I need to get a closer look. I should wait for the guard to return and observe his actions. I should wait for the guard to return and observe his actions. The guard's pressing something, but I'm too far away to see exactly what. I need to get a closer look.
just any wizard. The necromancer king of Gien. They say he hunted humans.
But wasn't he human himself? But he looks human from the statues.
A shape changer then. Or maybe he was a blue one.
It appears Lico's been stirring things up again. Lico. Shadow. Well, that's one way to create a distraction. That archway must lead into the castle proper. I should wait for the guard to return and observe his actions. I should wait for the guard to return and observe his actions. The administrator's office will be somewhere on this floor, I'm sure of it. Management always picks the topmost floor. That's the symbol of the servants' trade. The attendants and domestics that help keep this facility operational. The Makers Guild. They're responsible for construction and maintenance, not administration. The military branch. They have a large presence here, but they wouldn't be handling the administration of the camp. That, I believe, is the official seal of the Office of Scientific Progress. There were whispers of their existence in Sadir, but I knew of no one affiliated with the division. As far as I understand, they've been instrumental in the creation of the engine. They're a new arm of government, and unlike most other offices, they appear to answer directly to someone on the council. I'd say this is the best place to start looking for prisoner records and incriminating documents. There's probably nothing in there that I need. Locked.
Anyone around? Isaac? Joran? Anyone? No one? Oh, goddess, I hate walking alley rounds. Fallows may have the wits of a mine bird, but some nights I swear he's right. This stone tomb is cursed. What in Shadow's name? Oh, come on, open up, you accursed... Oh, hey, what's going on? Who are you? If I just jiggle at that... What are you doing here? Where did you come from? Alarm! We have an intruder! Alarm! Fallows is right, this place. What? Who's there? Fallows, is that you dunce-headed fool? Hey, This didn't just topple over on its own accord. Hey, what's going on? Who are you? Hello? Hello? Is there anyone there? Ghouls and demons playing tricks on us. What are you doing here? Where did you come from? No.